Hi guys, it's Ray. What I have here is a full case of tumblers that were sent to me from a new company. They reached out and they said, hey, we like your content and style. Would you like to try out our Sublimation tumblers? And I said, sure, I'd love to. So this is my first shipment from them. The company is Besin Tumblers. I will put the link down below. There is a 5% coupon code. And I will also link to their YouTube down below. Because they do feature new products there. And they do have, I believe, 2 US warehouses. There's at least 1, if not 2. So shipping should be fairly quick. Let me slide this so I can open the flaps. So on the top is an extra box and a straw and a bag of straws. And I'm going to pull one tumbler out and we will have a peek at these. Actually, I'm going to grab 2 because I'm going to press 2 cups. So this is a case of 5, or 25, excuse me. So opening the box, it's just a very plain, basic white box, which I like. And these are the white sublimation tumblers. Absolutely no text on the bottom. I love that so much. It's got the shallow lid, a nice slide. So that is that. But yeah, I very much enjoy when the cups have nothing on the bottom. That makes me very happy. So that's the first one out of the box. And I like the plain white box. I like that there's no decoration on it whatsoever. And you can customize it however you'd like at that point because it's plain. So we are going to go ahead and wrap 2 cups quick and then grab the press and we will go on from there. They do have a ton of sizes and styles. I believe they had some t-shirts and stuff. In fact, and like some slates and things like that, but they do have a variety of sizes of cups. It's just my printer will only print a full wrap for a 20 ounce. I can't print for anything larger, and I don't really do any of the kids cups or any of those sizes, but they do have them. They have speaker tumblers, so definitely check it out because there is a ton there. I may at the end go and just scroll through part of the website on screen for you so you can see that. But I have my cups. I have the 80s baby and the 90s child wraps printed. So I'm not going to get into my printer and all of that. All my links are down below. So, and we've been over that many, many times. So I'm going to grab my press and get that plugged in quick. So let me pause you for one, just because my press can be heating up while I'm wrapping. So I'll go ahead and get that plugged in, and I'm going to do my standard press, which is 365 for 60 seconds. Flip it and another 60 seconds. I'm going to start there. $360, 65 seconds. Okay. All right. So let's see, I printed standard size wraps, so they should fit. Perfect. That's all I'm going to do. I am not going to wrap the top and the bottom. I found that it worked fine on my last go around without. So I'm just going to carry on that way. And I'm almost up to temp already, so I'm going to be ready to put this one in because I don't want to listen to it beep. Start with your tape side towards you. That way you know if you flipped it or not, if you get easily distracted like I tend to do. Sometimes forget where I'm at in the process, but I will have future shipments coming from Besin. I believe I should have like a case coming a month for 3 months or so. So as I get some of their other tumblers in stock, I will make sure I show you those, and we may come in and just have like, I wish I could do it live, but I can't. But we may come in and just do like a marathon press of the entire case. So, all right. This one is about ready to flip. Turn it backwards. This is just like my pressing pillow for my smaller heat press, and it works good for pulling out your hot tumblers and putting them on. I'm not going to do any of the moving it down and putting the ends in or any of that. I'm just going to do a very simple tape and press for this test. So I'm going to take this one out, and very, very hot. Pop this one in. These are two of my favorite tumblers. So, here we go. That looks beautiful. Let me grab another glove. Man, that took the ink really, really nicely. And my seams are, not my seams, but my top and bottom, no ghosting. No ghosting whatsoever, which always makes me happy. I like to stop mine a little bit short so they don't go over the bottom. I just think it looks much neater and cleaner. And this is absolutely fabulous. Really, really happy with this. And we'll see how this one came out. Alrighty, let's see. Wow. Yeah, this looks phenomenal. I am absolutely thrilled with the tops and the bottoms especially. These are probably two of my best presses right out of the gate on a new product ever. So, Besin Tumblers, I will put the link to the website, coupon code down below, and I will put a link to their YouTube, like I said, because that shows a lot of shorts and things of their other products, things I'm not necessarily going to use, but that you guys might be more interested in. I stick to just 20 ounces. So, these are fantastic. So, that is it. I will see you shortly to press some more of these, I guess. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.